And the state is proceeding on count 2, which is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 gram or 4 grams. It's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000. 2022 CR 2345, State of Texas versus Patricia Elder. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Starks.
Defense?
Andres Candy for the defense.
And are you Miss Elder?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
To the best of my knowledge, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Elder, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, I think this is the one we're proceeding on count 2.
Yes.
Waiving count 1.
And also, let's see. Is that correct? You're proceeding on count?
Proceeding on count on straight possession.
Okay,
Waiving. with
so
intent.
count 2.
Proceeding on count 2, waiving count 1.
Any objection?
No objection from the defense. So long as we're proceeding on straight possession.
Yes, and that is count 2. All right, Ms. Elder, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments, defendants, waivers, and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on count 2, which is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 gram or 4 grams. It's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Ms. Elder, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Oh, yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Oh, yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They will take in consideration grand jury number 7577981, and there's $60 restitution for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not been, Your Honor.
Oh, I think your attorney, did your client sign?
Yes, she did.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years, to be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to count 2 in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead guilty, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Judge. State office, state exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Ms. Elder, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. During states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty of count 2. Are you proceeding with sentencing? Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we would just ask that the court follow the agreement. Ms. Elder has been as diligent as she can on her pretrial supervision. She has taken care of everything else that is outstanding with the county, and to include a previous case that she is currently on probation for, that we would ask the court to allow run concurrent with this case. That is cause number, County Court Cause 614127. She has, since being on, I believe, felony pretrial supervision, she has made an effort to constantly be in contact with her pretrial supervisor. She CCs us on all those contact emails, has been very proactive in attempting to get help from outside sources, and she has done that. Has completed the sober living, lifetime recovery.
Yeah.
So she has completed that process, and she has also attended AANA.
Still currently. Yeah.
Is still currently, and I believe is required to as part of the misdemeanor supervision. She is well on her way to the road to recovery, but as everybody knows, it is not a one battle and done. It is a daily battle, and she is fighting that fight every day, Your Honor, and just wishes that the court would allow her to do that as someone who is on community supervision as opposed to being incarcerated.
All right, so are you in a sober living home?
No, ma'am. I live at home with my husband of 23 years. I have been completely clean and sober since September 14th last year. And I do attend a Zoom meeting called NUTS for AA/NA. They also talk about nicotine too. It's a good group. And I completed a lifetime chemical dependency Zoom program. Also, my counselor, I'm still in contact with her, Maria, and she's been working with me on some journaling. And so right now I'm working on some journaling programs, self-talk, so on and so forth. I've completed like 5 of them, but that's an ongoing thing too, because there's never enough you can learn about yourself.
That's true. Are you employed?
No, ma'am. Retired, and I babysit my grandbabies for my daughter during the day, summertime.
She does have passive income through
Oh yes, rentals.
a rental property.
I rent
So
my.
she does have
yeah.
the ability to pay these. The state has recommended a fairly low fine, and we're appreciative of that
Yes.
because her income is fixed. And if the court would like, I would like to approach and tender the lifetime recovery certificate.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 7 years in prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. $500 fine probated, taking consideration grand jury number 757981. $60 restitution to laboratory for testing. This is run concurrent with 614127. 100 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived.
Okay.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. You continue with your sober meetings.
I'm sorry.
I don't understand. She's not to be.
She's not to seek any employment with minors.
Oh,
So nobody,
Well,
she's
I
not
mean-
hired as a babysitter.
Oh, no, I'm not
No, no,
hired.
no,
It's
no,
okay. I'm doing my daughter.
She's babysitting her own grandchild, but she's
My
not
own
doing it for money. I was just
Yes,
she's not to run a daycare is what the court is saying, right?
There's not to be no exchanging of money.
Of money.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
With any minors.
Right, she's not doing this for profit. She's doing this because.
For my daughter.
So
because-
there's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. You to continue with your sober meetings. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. And I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month, random. Is there anything else that she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, other than I noticed there's my address is not correct on there.
The address on the indictment isn't an accurate address. I don't know if
Just like probation.
Okay, yeah,
we'll update probation with the accurate information.
yeah, other than that, no.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, I did, Your
All
Honor.
right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? If
Yes.
you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak with your attorney.
I
And
don't need-
stay on the right path,
Yes, ma'am.
because I normally don't allow people who are on felony probation to have unsupervised contact with minors, because I have concerns. So you need to stay on the right path. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
All right.
very much.
Thank you. Probation will go over conditions with you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.